This quarter crack resulted from an imbalance due to the horse's conformation and infrequent trimming. Using a rasp as a centerline reference, we can see that the inside wall is flaring due to excess heel length, and the heel itself is beginning to roll forward, which also moves the last point of weight bearing forward, placing further stress on the flare to the point where it has no choice but to crack. The bend in the coronary band where this crack originates comes from this underrun heel because the point of weight bearing has moved forward. So in order to get the coronary band to settle back into place, we need to shorten this wall and support the bottom of the foot to allow the heel to come back to a normal position. Underrun heels frequently cause pressure spots in the seat of corn area, and since we will support this foot with pad material, we do not want to cover up any soft spots that could turn into abscesses. We'll remove just enough sole to get to the bottom of this pocket, then palpate the other parts of the sole to check for soft spots. Our trim is only removing about 1/8 to 3/16 of an inch of hoof wall, but we'll be able to move the last point of weight bearing back 3 times that distance. Using our trimmed piece, we can make before and after marks to show what we have gained. Our new last point of weight bearing has been moved back at least 3/8 of an inch, which will better support the horse. Next, we rasp down the inside wall to prevent it from contacting the shoe and relieve it from weight bearing. This will help prevent further stress on the crack and allow the coronary band to settle back in line. Along with the shoe, we'll use EquiBuild firm pad material to support the rest of the foot. EquiMesh under the shoe helps hold our pad material, and we're cutting out an area where we have some soft spots to be blocked out. It's important to leave these areas uncovered in case they turn into abscesses. Next, we'll prepare our cartridge material. Cut the cartridge open with nippers as shown. Before attaching the mix tip, dispense a small amount into the bag to equalize the cartridge. Play-Doh or modeling clay packed into the area will prevent EquiBuild from flowing where we don't want it, and allow the area to be cleaned and treated if necessary. The packing should be level, flush with the shoe. As always, we want to dry the sole to maximize our bond. Then we'll apply the foam board and press it securely to the shoe. Insert the mix tip between the mesh and the sole and dispense EquiBuild at the toe, backing the tip out as you fill. Because we want the full support of a ground level fill, we'll hold this for the full 4-minute set time. However, you can accelerate the set time by warming the material towards the higher side of the operating temperature range. Wait 10 minutes before removing the foam board, then peel it carefully from the heel forward. Remove the modeling clay and trim the pad to a clean edge. Use a nail to clean the clay out from underneath the shoe. So now we have a supported foot and we relieve the stress on the crack. It's worth noting that the blocked out area should be kept clean by the owner. These situations must be considered therapeutic and therefore require a commitment to proper treatment to ensure success.